Welcome to the DDS Handpiece Hub. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on the Surgeries tab. This tab is dedicated to providing you actionable insight broken down by your branch surgeries. For the demonstrational purposes, let's first disable the Insights pane and filter out all surgeries that are not located in the state of ACT. As you can see, the core of every report is this table. It displays the surgery's name, average rating of all handpieces submitted by it, the unrepaired percentage, which reflects the percentage of all handpieces that were cancelled, returned, unrepaired, or otherwise were not finished, the total cost of all repairs, average cost of one repair, and the number of handpieces that we have seen in this date range from this surgery. By clicking a button to the left of the surgery name, you can expand a details row. Here, you can observe the statistics broken down by brands of this particular surgery. You can see the average rating, percentage unrepaired, cost, average cost, and the number of handpieces from Cavo brand of this first surgery. This can give you great insight into which brands of handpieces work best for your business overall and for this particular surgery. You can also do the same thing but by models. As you can see, you can observe the stats for each specific model of handpiece for that particular brand. Now, we would like to introduce you to the sorting capabilities of this report. If you click once on the header of the column will be sorted lowest to highest. Click twice in reverse, and the third click will disable the sorting. If there is enough width in the header, you will see an arrow indicating the direction. Inside the surgery details row, you can also sort by name, cost, average cost, number of handpieces, percentage of unrepaired, and average rating. The By Models tab behaves the same way. Now, let's turn back on the Insights pane. This pane strives to visualise the most important indicators of your business in a few simple figures and charts. All this data is, of course, also being filtered by our date selection and surgery selection. Here we have an overall average rating of handpieces equal to 5.3%. An average of about 9% unrepaired, about $7,000 of total repair costs, average repair cost of only $212, and 32 handpieces in total. This is the map of the most spending surgeries. So, we can see that surgery 3 accounts for almost 40% of spending amongst these 4 surgeries. Here, we have an overall average rating of handpieces equal to 5.3%, average of about 9% unrepaired, about $7,000 of total repair costs, average repair cost of only $212, and 32 handpieces total. You can also utilise the display filters for insights. So, if you only want to see the costs in the value insights, you can disable others and see only the total cost and average spent. These pie charts represent the actual number of handpieces received by brand, and the other one is for the amount of money spent by brand. That means that these surgeries in the selected date range spent around $3,000 on NSK repairs, the same amount for Cavo, and about $1,000 on W&H. You can obviously utilise this to see reports for only one surgery, which will be quite similar to what we have for multiple surgeries. If you clear everything, then the charts default to reselect all the surgeries. These insights will ultimately allow you to work out if a certain surgery warrants to have such a majority of repair costs. For example, its location may be in a capital city, with 8 chairs running from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. 6 days a week, compared to one of your other surgeries in a quiet country town which only uses one of their 2 chairs during a much shorter working week.